Children, we will do exercise 7.4 of coordinate geometry. You can take your textbook also. First question there. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0 divides the line segment joining the points A, ordered pair 2, negative 2 and B, ordered pair 3, 7. You can see there is a picture there. There is a line segment drawn. Name of the endpoints are A and B. A, ordered pair 2, negative 2. B, ordered pair 3, 7. I am going to take 2, negative 2 as ordered pair x1, y1. Ordered pair 3, 7 as ordered pair x2, y2. There is a point P on AB which divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Now what should you find here? Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0 divides the line segment joining the points. So you need to find the coordinate of P and then you need to find m1 is to m2. Okay, so there is a line segment AB. P is a point on the line segment. The coordinate of P is ordered pair xy and P divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay. Children, what is the section formula? To find the point Pxy, we use the section formula. Ordered pair m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 by 2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute your x1, x2, y1, y2 and then you will get the point as 3 m1 plus 2 m2 by m1 plus m2, 7 m1 minus 2 m2 by m1 plus m2. So these are the ordered pairs of x and y. Okay. Now, what is the line segment given here? 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0. 2x plus y minus 4 equals 0. Instead of x and y, substitute those values. So 2 into 3m1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 plus, what is the y value that you are getting? 7m1 minus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 minus 4 equals 0. So, in the equation of the line, instead of x and y, we are substituting the values and we are going to simplify it. 2 into 3m1 plus 2m2, both the denominators are equal, plus 7m1 minus 2m2. If I take the LCM, 4 into m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2 equals 0. So when I cross multiply, the denominator is removed from there. So next step will be using the distributive property, open 6m1 plus 4m2 plus 7m1 minus 2m2 minus 4m1 minus 4m2 equals 0. Bring all the m1s together, 6m1 plus 7m1 minus 4m1. What will be the answer? It will be 9m1. 4m2 minus 4m2 gets cancelled. Then what is left? Minus 2m2 equals 0. Therefore, 9m1 is equal to 2m2. We need to find m1 by m2. So what will be m1 by m2? 2 by 9. But our final question is to find the ratio. Therefore, ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 2:9. Is the problem clear, children? So there was a line segment given AB. PXY divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. Using section formula, we found out the values of m1 and m2. Using section formula, we got. So instead of x and y, we are substituting that value, and you will get 9m1 minus 2m2 is equal to 0, and the ratio will be 2:9. Third question. Find the center of a circle passing through the points ordered pair 6, -6, ordered pair 3, -7, and ordered pair 3, 3. So there is a circle. You need to find the center of the circle. 3 coordinates are given, which is on the circumference of the circle. We name it as A, B, and C. Center is O. The coordinate for the center is given as O, X, Y. We need to find the center of the circle passing through the points ordered pair 6, -6, ordered pair 3, -7, ordered pair 3, 3. So here we are first going to find the distance from O to A, then O to C, O to B. All these are radii of the circle OA, OB, OC. So we are going to find the distance. OA, I have just written here, OA will be, what is the distance formula? Root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So OA, O to A, the distance is given as x minus 6 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square. Distance from O to B and O to C is also written with the help of distance formula. Since all the radii are equal, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Of that, we are going to compare these two first. OA is equal to, I have written OA equals OB. What was OA? Square root of x minus 6 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square equals square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square. On both the side of the equal to, there is a square root. To remove the square root, we have to square both the sides. So after squaring both the sides, square root symbol is removed. I got x minus 6 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 7 the whole square. Identity a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Expand it. X square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12y plus 36 equals. What is the other side? X square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 14y plus 49. Bring all the x terms together, y square terms together. If there is anything to be cancelled, cancel it off, and you will get the equation as 6x plus 2y is equal to 14. After cancelling and simplifying, you will get 6x plus 2y is equal to 14. 2 is a common factor here throughout. So, if I divide by 2, I will get 3x plus y is equal to 7. This will be my first equation. I got my first equation by comparing OA is equal to OB. Now, similarly, I need to find OA equals OC. The same steps. Square root sign should be removed by taking the square on both the sides. Simplify it. I will get the second equation as 3x minus 9y equals 27. So, two equations I got. What were the two equations? First equation was 3x plus y equals 7. Second equation 3x minus 9y is equal to 27. Children, we need to solve the linear equation. After solving, you will get the value of y as negative 2 and you will get the value of x as 3. How will you solve this equation? Equation 1 minus equation 2, you will get the answer. Okay. So, you will get the value of y as negative 2, x as positive 3. Center of the circle O ordered pair xy. So, what will be the ordered pair xy now? What was x? 3. What was y? Negative 2. So, the center of the circle which passes through the points A, B and C is ordered pair 3, negative 2. I know it is a bit lengthy problem, but it's an easy problem also, isn't it? So, there was a circle. There are 3 points on the circle. You need to find the center. So, from the center to the 3 points, we found out the distances using distance formula. Since the radii of the circle are equal, we took OA equals OB first. We got an equation 3x plus y is equal to 7. You have to simplify it, okay. Then, after taking OA equals OB, we took the second set, OA equals OC. We got our second equation. When we solve the first equation and the second equation, we get the value of xy as ordered pair 3, negative 2. Okay. 8th question. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A ordered pair negative 1, negative 1, B ordered pair negative 1, 4, C ordered pair 5, 4 and D ordered pair 5, negative 1. P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Is PQRS a square or a rhombus? Justify your answer. So, I have drawn a picture also. There is a rectangle ABCD. You can see that. I have written the coordinates of the vertices. Now, they are saying P, Q, R and S. P, Q, R, S. These are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Now, the P, Q, R, S, the one inside ABCD, the quadrilateral, inside that PQRS, is it a square? Is it a rhombus? Is it a rectangle? Justify your answer. Is the question clear? So, first we should know what all are the coordinates of P, Q, R and S. How will we find the coordinates of P, Q, R and S? Read the question again. What are P, Q, R and S? P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the line segment. What is the formula to find the midpoints of the line segment, children? If xy is a midpoint, then the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, then y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula to find the midpoint. So now we are going to find the coordinates of P, Q, R and S. So P will be -1 plus, what is the x coordinate of B? -1 by 2, -1 plus 4 by 2, -2 by 2, 3 by 2, which is equal to -1 and 3 by 2. Then Q equals, we have to find the midpoint of Q, -1 plus 5 by 2, then 4 plus 4 by 2. What is 5 minus 1? 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. 8 by 2, 4. So the coordinate of Q is ordered pair 3, 4. Similarly, we can find the coordinate of R and S. The coordinate of R will be coordinate of R will be 5 and 3 by 2, and coordinate of S will be 2, -1. Okay. So I am going to write the coordinates here. What did I get the coordinate of P? -1, 3 by 2. What was the coordinate of Q? Ordered pair 2, 4. R was 5 and 3 by 2, and S was 2 and -1. These are the coordinates of the points P, Q, R and S. Now I need to find what type of quadrilateral is PQRS, whether it is a square or a rhombus or a rectangle. So I need to find the length of the sides of PQRS. To find the length of the side PQ with the help of distance formula, I can find that, isn't it? So PQ equals square root of -1 minus 2 the whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 4 the whole square. Sorry, I have written there 8. It is square, which is equal to -1 minus 2, -3. -3 whole square, 9. 3 by 2 minus 4. When you take the LCM, 3 minus 8 by 2, which is equal to -5 by 2. And what will be the square of that? 25 by 4. Now we should take the LCM again. 9 4s are 36 plus 25 by 4, and the answer will be square root of 61 by 4. Then QR I found out, sorry, PQ I found out. Now I need to find QR. What will be QR? 2 minus 5 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 by 2 the whole square. 2 minus 5 means negative 3 the whole square 9 plus 4 minus 3 by 2. When I take the LCM, 5 by 2, which will be 25 by 4, which is same as root 61 by 4. Then PQ I found, QR I found. What is the next side? RS. RS is equal to 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 1 the whole square. Again, after simplification, I will get root 61 by 4. SP also I will get after simplification root 61 by 4. So all the four sides I get it as root 61 by 4. This will be square root of 61 by 4. This is also square root of 61 by 4. All the four sides of PQRS I am getting the same measurement, root 61 by 4. So is it a rhombus? Is it a square? How will we differentiate? For a rhombus and square, all the four sides are equal. But to be a square, the diagonals must also be equal. So we should check the diagonals also. Then only we can say whether it is a rhombus or a square. How will I find the diagonals? What will be the diagonals? PR, the length of PR, minus 1 minus 5 the whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So I will get the value of PR as, this will be 6 square plus 0, which is equal to 6. What is the next diagonal? SQ. SQ will be square root of 2 minus 2 whole square plus negative 1 minus 4 the whole square, and you will get the answer as answer as 4. Therefore, PR and SQ both are different. Therefore, PQRS is a rhombus. It is this we justify the answer. Minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5 the whole square 5. Sorry. So both will be different. So what was the question? There was a rectangle. Midpoints PQRS were given. We were supposed to find whether PQRS is a square or a rectangle or a rhombus. So first we need to find the coordinates of PQRS. Those were the midpoints. With the help of midpoint formula, we found out PQR and S. Then we need to find the length of the sides. Using the distance formula, we found out PQ, QR, RS, everything has equal measurement, root 61 by 4. In order to find whether it is a square or a rhombus, we found out the diagonal measurements. The diagonals are different. So, it is a rhombus. Hence the proof.